Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me today show you how to use a timeline. It's very easy in a Capcut to do that. I will import my video inside, just drag and drop it over here and drag and drop it to the timeline. This is how you add your videos, audios and everything else. For example, I don't know, this image, just drag and drop and drag it, for example, up here, and it will be on top of another like this. Okay, I can now just delete this. You have some tools on the top of the timeline. You can also move this to expand or squeeze your timeline, and on the top you have some different tools over here. First thing is the select tool. You have see the shortcut over here. So with select tool you move your clip around on the timeline, and if you have problems and you move this clip and it goes straight back where it was, this means that this on the right side turn on main track magnet is enabled, so you can see it always go to the left. This is one important thing to know because it's really annoying, but it's helpful. Sometimes I like to turn off main track magnet. I like to turn it off so I can edit it just like in other video editing programs. Click split or select B on your keyboard, move this playhead. You can move this playhead by click and hold, or just click it anywhere on the timeline. And now hover over the clip and you can split here, you can split here, and if I move it over here, go back to selection tool, click it and hit delete on your keyboard to cut this part and move it over here. Sometimes it's very useful to have this magnet, because if you delete it, it will delete immediately and make this, as it called, ripple delete, if I can remember good. We have this select leftward and select rightward tool. I don't use this, I don't see any purpose, so I don't care about it. You can check it out. It will select all the things on the left and all the things on the right. Another thing is you can undo and redo your actions. Over here you can split, and you can move your playhead, click split, and it will automatically split without you having to go to the split tool. You can delete everything on the left. Okay, if I go over here, you can click over here, delete left, and it will delete everything on the left, and delete right, and it will delete anything on the right. Very useful. You can delete your clip, you can freeze the frame, and you have this freezed frame. For example, video is going and it's freezed and it will unfreeze again. I will undo this, and you can play reverse clip. Just click it and it will be reverse. Mind that your music will also be reversed. Over here we have mirror, so you can mirror on left side, right side, rotate it. You can use this button over here to rotate it. And you have a crop tool here, so you can crop your video as you like. On the right side we have a record that you can play and record your voiceover. This is track magnet. Turn off auto snapping. I like to keep this on because it will snap. You can see it to the end, and if I move this clip, it will snap to my playhead like this. It's very useful. And if you have this turn on preview axis, you can see your preview axis and you can move your video like this, so you can preview your video very slowly. If you move it, you can preview your video. Turn off, turn on, how do you like. And we have this zoom to fit the timeline. Click it and our video is zoomed to the timeline, or you can manually zoom over here. One feature that I will like to see in a Capcut is to increase the size of this timeline, of the clip on the timeline, so I can see it better. It's a little small. Over here on the left side you can lock track, you can hide it, or you can mute your audio clip, so you won't hear any audio if you have it. You can move this track up and down on the timeline. It will create new tracks, so don't worry. So you can add one track on top, another track on the bottom, snap it like this, and you will be just fine. And this is it. If you find this little quick tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below, and check out the playlist. I have some other Capcut videos over there that will I think will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.